Okay. Whatever is possible in today's half an hour will complete, and anything left we will discuss tomorrow morning. And as I said already, for IP, definitely one 2 marks question will come from this. That's all. Nothing else. Only one 2 marks question. Not there for JEE mains and advanced, but it is there for MSET. And in differentiation and integration, again, they will be coming. So you should be a little thorough with what it is. But nothing great. We are going to define like this. Sin hx is equal to e power x minus e power minus x by 2 for all x belongs to R. Okay. This sin and h cannot be separated. Okay. It is actually hyperbolic sine of x. Okay. If you don't not believe me, in one exam I asked, okay, the secant of angle A. Okay. In some question is something else that will complicate it. I asked secant of angle A. Some people completed it, but they did not understand what is this. Instead of secant A, I gave secant of angle A. Understand what I'm saying? Over a time, we forget that for secant, yes, this is shortcut to write. Okay, tangent of A and cotangent of A and okay, like that. Hyperbolic sine of x is shortcut written as sine hx. Okay, like some people will ask, can we separate this sine and h or something like that? Okay, no. It's funny, but for example, sin x by x, you can't cancel x and write it sin or something like that, right?
Yes.
Okay, it's quite funny. Sin x is one expression, it's f of x kind of. Okay, like that, sin h together is a name of a function. Okay, sin h of x, if you want, you can write like this. It is defined like this. Whenever they give definition, you don't have to ask why they defined like this. Okay, it is they defined like that. That's it. Okay.
Finish, sir.
No, there are some more things later there. Okay. Cos h of x, they defined as e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Again, for all x belongs to R. Don't think there is a triangle. This is opposite side. This is hypotenuse. No, all that. There's no triangle here. All right. This is the definition of sin h of x. This is the definition of cos h of x. And the tan h of x is defined as sin h of x by cos h of x, which is e power x minus e power minus x by e power x plus e power minus x for all x belongs to R. Okay. The reciprocal of this is cosecant h of x, and that is not defined for one x value, which is that
0.
0, because numerator looks 0. Secant h of x, is it always defined or is it not defined for some particular x value?
Zero.
It's defined for all values.
All,
Divides
because even
are
if it is
always
0, it will be 1 plus 1. If you take
Yes,
reciprocal
sir.
of this, the denominator never becomes 0. Okay. So both cot h of x, which is ulta of this, the cosecant h of x, which is ulta of this, they are not defined at x equal to 0. Otherwise, they are same simple definition. And secant is reciprocal of this. Okay. So I'm not writing them. Okay. But they are also there. Okay. Now, one may say why it came in trigonometry. One of the reason is the formulas in this chapter appear like your trigonometric formulas. Okay. Doesn't mean this square plus this square is 1. Rather, this square minus this square is 1. It is trigonometric formulas appear like that, but with a little change. Okay. Very first formula. All right. Maybe I'll do one question and then let me just wait a minute. Instead of proving that, I want to write one small question. Yeah. First question. Show that cos h of x minus sin h of x whole power n equal to cos h of nx. I write x and n alike, so you should be able to make out this is x this is x, this is n. This is cos h of nx minus sin h of nx. Okay. The reason I'm discussing this in the beginning is, you accept definition, you don't need anything else. Simplify and LHS, simplify and RHS. And they'll be equal. LHS. This is e power x plus e power minus x by 2. This is e power x minus e power minus x by 2. You can cancel e power x. You will get 2 e power minus x by 2 whole power n. 2 will cancel. It is e power minus nx. A power m whole power n is a power m. RHS. If sin h of x is this, means what is sin h of 2x will be? Anybody?
E power 2x minus e power minus 2x by 2.
Wherever x is there, write 2x. If you want sin h of 100x, wherever x is there, write 100x. Like that, if you want cos h of nx, take cos h of x definition, and wherever x is there, you write nx. That's it, right? Okay, so RHS, cos h of nx is e power nx plus e power minus nx by 2. And sin h of nx is e power nx minus e power minus nx by 2. Here I can cancel e power nx. I'll be getting 2 e power minus nx by 2, which is e power minus nx. LHS equal to RHS.
Sir, so then h of x is like a function, sir.
Yeah, sin h together is a function. It is like f of x only. After all, the hyperbolic functions, the chapter name. Okay, it is a function from R to R. Okay, and define that way. That's it.
Like h of x independently is not defined.
No, there's nothing called h of x. Sin
Yes,
h together is one function name.
Yes,
Cos
sir.
h together is one function. Okay, almost similar. Another question is there. I'll give and you complete yourself. Right now, everybody complete yourself. Cos h of x plus sin h of x whole power n. You have to show that cos h of nx plus sin h of nx. You don't have to give any gap between sin and h also. They can be written together. Okay, so the second question is quite similar to first question. Okay, now try to prove this. If u equal to log tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2, show that cos h of u is equal to secant theta.
Both are equal to pi by 4, sir.
No, no. What do you mean by pi by 4 here?
No, sorry, sir.
Okay, anyway, for doing this question, first of all, in logarithms, you should know this property that a power log x base a. When this and this are same, you can write x. That's the formula. Similarly, e power log x, if you get, if no base is mentioned, you should know we are supposed to take base c. And this are
Sir?
same, so it is equal to x.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, can we write tan theta plus cot theta equals to 2 cosecant 2 theta?
Yeah, it is a formula. If you want, you can derive it in 1 or 2 steps, so you can use it also, not a problem. Okay, so first of all, you should remember this formula in logarithms. Based on that, even this, when nothing is mentioned, base is e by default, and if these two are same, it is x. Okay, now coming to cos h of u. Is e power u plus e power minus u by 2. What is u? E power log of tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2 plus e power minus log tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2 by 2. Second question, everybody completed, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 This is fine. E and log will cancel based on that. So I'm going to get tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. And coming to e power minus u, I can also write this e power minus u is 1 by e power u. So I can take this minus inside, it will become cot, and then I can cancel. Or this is reciprocal of this. So whatever this comes, that will come reciprocal. So if this is tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2, that is 1 by tan, I can write directly. 1 by tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. You look at cot and tan theta plus cot theta, as somebody said, there is a formula called 2 cosecant 2 theta. If you don't remember, not a problem. You take LCM here, what will come, let us see. You will get a tan square pi by 4 plus theta by 2 plus 1 by 2 tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. It looks like reciprocal of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta.
Yes,
Let me write 1 by 2 tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Otherwise, somebody can write tan as sin by cos, this tan as sin by cos, and simplify also, it will come, not a big issue. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is tan 2 theta. 1
Sin
by
2 theta.
sin 2 theta, sorry, sin 2 theta. 2 times this, which is 2 times pi by 4 plus theta by 2. which is 1 by sine pi by 2 plus theta. That is 1 by cos theta, which is secant theta. Somebody can write tan sine by cos. This cot as cos by sine. Simplify also, you'll get same. Okay, almost similar. I'll give one more question. You can try to do it. Fourth one. If x is equal to log of cot of pi by 4 plus theta, then prove that first one sine h of x equal to minus tan 2 theta. And the second one, which will become similar to this present question, is cos h of x is equal to secant 2 theta. Okay, those who completed the third one, please try to do fourth one, both parts. Okay, third one, anybody has doubt about any part? Pritam, they understood third one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir. For
Okay. Both parts?
yes, sir.
Okay. I'm doing sine now. Okay. Okay, quite similar. Fourth one, Roman one, x is I gave log cot pi by 4 plus theta. Sin h of x is e power x minus e power minus x by 2. Wherever x is there, write log cot pi by 4 plus theta. E and log will cancel basically. This looking cot. Because this is a reciprocal of this will be 1 by cot. You can write this as tan, this is 1 by tan and take LCM. You'll get this. When you take reciprocal, you can see it is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, which is tan 2 theta formula. That when you simplify, I got tan 90 plus 2 theta, which is minus cot 2 theta, whose reciprocal is minus tan 2 theta. Fourth one, Roman 2, I'm not going to write. Everybody has to do by themselves. Okay. If they are not completed, they can leave enough gap and do it also, not a problem. Or they can, I can wait for some time. Okay, Roman 1, everybody completed?
Yes, sir.
Sandeep, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Have you completed fourth one, Roman 1?
Last.
Okay. Okay, fourth one, Roman 2, please do. If I start the next question, then you can leave enough gap also. Time is not. Okay, fourth one, Roman 1, I want to erase. Anybody needs more time? Okay, we'll stop in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, fifth one, I'm giving it as a question, but actually it is a formula. Okay, those are not completed Roman 2, you know how much gap to leave, same as the first one, leave that much gap. Fifth one, show that cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1. Normally cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 in normal trigonometry. In hyperbolic, cos h square minus sin h square is 1. Okay. Proof is very simple. Start with LHS. E power x plus e power minus x by 2 whole square minus e power x minus e power minus x by 2 whole square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab, right? So you get by 4 and numerator is 4 into e power x into e power minus x. Since a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. Okay, e power x and e power minus x you can cancel also. it will become 1 directly. That's all true. One may ask then, if it is plus, what will happen? That is cos h square x plus sin h square x is cos h of 2x. You can see the formulas got reversed. Normal in trigonometry, cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta, and
Yes,
cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. This became this, this became this. Again, start with LHS. E power x plus e power minus x by 2 whole square plus e power x minus e power minus x by 2 whole square. We have formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is 2 times a square plus b square. If not, you can just expand. This will be e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus 2. This will 2 e power x into e power minus x. Next one is e power 2x plus e power minus 2x minus 2 e power x into e power minus x by 4. This and this are same. You got 2 times e power 2x plus e power minus 2x by 4. You can write 2 into 2 and cancel 1, 2. This is wherever x supposed to be there, 2x is there. So it is straight away cos h of 2x. Cos h together is one word. Somebody told me I should not read it as cos h. They said I should read it as cos. Okay. It may be true, I don't know. In the books, how to pronounce will not be printed, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
okay. So when I studied intermediate, I guess my teacher told me cos h. I just go on with that. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
I think a lot of our yes, please.
sir, in hyperbolic function only we have to prove it, sir. There is no question to solve.
There will be few questions to solve, but not like the whole trigonometry is repeated in terms of hyperbolic trigonometry. No, very few questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Not that here also we'll have transformation formula. There may be there, but not like we are going to teach for another 3 months only this trigonometry in terms of hyperbolic. No. Because in engineering they may use, but we don't use so much right now. Okay.
20 questions are there in mains material, sir.
Yes. And in IP exercise only 8 questions are there and 7 solved examples are there. Okay.
Sir, this
Yes, sir.
chapter is more related to functions than to trigonometry, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, one last question and we'll stop for today. Show that sine h of 2x is 2 sine h of x cos h of x. This is better. I'll start with, I can start with LHS also. What's the big deal? Let me start. Yeah. This is a regular sine 2 theta formula only. 2 sine theta like that only. It appears, resembles that. Sine h of 2x is actually what by definition? E power 2x minus e power minus 2x by 2. I can write e power 2x as e power x whole square minus e power minus x whole square by 2. A square minus b square, I can write a plus b into a minus b. I'll multiply with 1, 2 and write e power x plus e power minus x by 2 into e power x minus e power minus x by 2. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. 1, 2 is already there, another time multiply and divide. This is nicely cos h of x, this is nicely sin h of x. That's it. 2 cos h of x and the sin h of x. Just a minute, we may do one question. Just Okay, this fifth one I can erase, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here when they give sin h of x, when they give sin h of x and they ask cos h of x, or when they give cos h of x, sin h of x, don't draw the triangle and write opposite side this and side, not like that. Based on these formulas, we have to do it. Okay. So this one question I'll give based on these three formulas that we derived, and we'll stop it. If sin h of x is equal to 3 by 4, find cos h of x, sin h of 2x, and cos h of 2. Okay, that's it. This with this definitely will stop.
Sir, cos h of
So
x
that's
equals
question
to
number
5 by
8.
4.
Ritam, what you're saying? 7, I should not rub, you're saying?
Question number 8.
This should be 8, not 9. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so we know cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1. Send this one this side and apply square root. Cos h of x is square root of 1 plus sin h square of x. Actually, we have plus or minus, but you cannot take minus because cos h of x is never negative, it is always positive. Because e power x is positive, e power minus x is positive, their sum is also positive by 2, so it will be positive. This will be 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square, which you simplify, you'll get 5 by 4. And then now sin h of 2x is 2 sin h of x cos h of x. Even if this meeting ends, you don't have to rejoin. You can finish yourself, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, whenever meeting ends, just you finish the question by yourself and then close the books.
Thank you, sir, telling before only.
Okay. And one of you can upload only today's notes, only hyperbolic functions part in the group. This is cos h of x minus sin h square of x, which is 15 by 8 whole, no, sorry.